And next topic is 4 to 16 decoder by using IC is IC74LS154. Okay, LS means large scale. This is the pin diagram. This pin diagram IC74LS154. Okay, this is the 24 pins in 4 to 16 decoder. 4 inputs, 16 outputs. In IC, low outputs. These are the Q0 to Q15. These are the outputs. Okay, here Z1 bar and Z2 bar. These are the enable inputs. Okay, A, B, C, D are the inputs. And 12th pin is connected with ground and 24th pin is connected with power supply. Okay, next see the truth table. Truth table. In this, inputs are Z1 bar and G2 bar. These are the enable inputs. Enable inputs, and normally inputs are 4 inputs. They are A, B, C, D. These are the 4 inputs, and outputs are Q0 to Q15. Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6, Q7, Q8, Q9, Q10, Q11, Q12, Q13, Q14 and Q15. Okay, these are the 16 outputs. In here, in pin diagram, G1 and G2 are low enables. That's why here, if enable is high, then circuit does not act. Up to Q15, and here G1 is high and G2 is low. This combination is also not performs the IC. And next Z1 is low and G2 is high. Okay, this case is also not perform the ICs. These are the combinations. And here G1 bar and G2 bar, these are the low outputs, that is LL. L means low. Here 3-4 inputs produces the 16 combinations. First, here the input is 0000. Then output is Q0. This is low output. So it is 0 and remaining all are 1s. Okay, and next low 0001. The decimal number is Q1, that is 0, and remaining all are 1s. And next LL, that is 0010. 10 is the Q2 output. This is output is 0 and remaining all are zeros. Sorry, remaining all are 1s. And remaining all are 1s. And next input is 0011, that is Q3. Q3 output is 0 and remaining all are 1s. And next 4 is Q4 output is low and remaining all are 1s. And next input is 105, that is Q5 output is 0 and remaining all are 1s. And next 0111, that output is Q7 and remaining all are 1s. And next 8 Q8 output is low and remaining all are ones. And next 9. Q9 output is low and remaining all are ones. And next 1 0 1 0, that is 10. Q10 output is 1 and remaining all are ones. And next 11. Q11 output is low and remaining all are ones. And next 12. 1 1 0 0. Q12 output is low and remaining all are ones. And next 13. Q13 output is 1 and remaining all are zeros. And next 14. Q14 output is low and remaining all are ones. And next 15. And Q15 output is low and remaining all are ones. This is the truth table for 4 to 16 decoder. Here Q0 to Q15, these are all outputs are low. By using IC, low outputs are appears. Okay. And next draw the logic diagram. Logic diagram for 4 to 16 decoder. Here Q0 is, what is the input here? A bar, B bar, C bar and D bar. A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Okay, here Q0 output is all 0, that is 0, A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. This is outputs are low. So write down the not ticket. This is Q0. And next Q1 output is, the input is 0001, that is A bar, B bar, C bar, D. And this is Q1. And next Q2 0010. 00 means A bar, B bar, C is 1 and D bar. This is Q2. Like that we draw the up to Q15, that is A and next B and next C and next D. Here we are using the NOT gate because these outputs are low. Like that we draw the Q15. This is overall about the 4 to 16 decoder by using IC 74LS154. Okay, thank you.